कोशिश आपकी ये होती है कि आपका घोड़ा थक न जाए। जब घोड़े में जज्बा होता है वो अपने साथ आने वाले घोड़े को आगे नहीं छोड़ता है।
जीत की खुशी तो आप खुद अंदाजा लगाए ना, वहाँ से सेलेक्ट होके यहाँ आके गिलगित के एक सूबे से एक जिला मुकाबला करते, तो उसमें अगर आप जीतें तो फिर उसका अंदाजा आप खुद करें।
Our journey begins in the bustling city of Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. The distance from Islamabad to the Shandur Pass is approximately 373 kilometers. From here, we embark on an adventure towards the picturesque Shandur Pass, known for its scenic beauty and as a high mountain plateau. The pass offers breathtaking vistas and hosts the annual Shandur Polo Festival. Our journey is a memorable exploration of Pakistan's natural wonders and cultural heritage. Upper Chitral district, nestled at an altitude of 3,700 meters above sea level, the Shandur Pass stands as a majestic gateway between the regions of Chitral and Gilgit Baltistan. Its awe-inspiring beauty captivates all who venture here, with sprawling meadows, snow-capped peaks, and crystal-clear lakes. The Shandur Polo Festival is held annually in July, where teams from Chitral and Gilgit Baltistan compete for glory on the world's highest polo ground. This event has a history that spans over centuries, reflecting the passion and valor of the local people. Legend has it that the festival originated as a means of resolving conflicts between the people of Chitral and Gilgit Baltistan, thus serves as a medium for reconciliation and unity, making the festival a celebration of sportsmanship and cultural heritage. As we approach the festival grounds, the air is filled with excitement. The vibrant atmosphere resonates with the melodies of traditional music, the aroma of local delicacies, and the joyful cheers of the spectators. The heart of the festival lies in the polo field, where skilled horsemen showcase their agility and prowess. The matches are fiercely competitive, and the players demonstrate exceptional horsemanship, making it a thrilling spectacle for all. The festival's positive impact extends beyond borders, radiating a powerful message to tourists both national and international. It serves as a reminder that through the spirit of unity, respect, and cultural appreciation, we can bridge gaps, build lasting connections, and celebrate our shared humanity.
It's a really beautiful country. We are here at the Shandur Polo Festival to see the game. It's really intense. The horses are beautiful, the players are talented. We are having a great time. Thank you Pakistan for having us.
ये कैसा लगा अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में कहूँ तो इट्स अमेजिंग, अल्फाज में बयान नहीं किया जा सकता। एक बहुत मुख्तलिफ किस्म का एक्सपीरियंस है। 3 दिन में हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे, थक गए थे बहुत, लेकिन जब यहाँ पोलो मैच देखा तो सारी थकावट उतर गई। और इतना प्यारा माहौल, लोग इतने अकोमोडेटिव हैं, इतने बाइखलाक हैं, खूबसूरत लोग हैं। सो ये सब जब इतनी नेचुरल ब्यूटी के साथ चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं तो फिर और क्या चाहिए।
Beyond the adrenaline-pumping matches, the festival offers a vibrant display of the local culture. Traditional dances, performed in colorful attire, mesmerize the audience, showcasing the region's artistic heritage. The Shandur Festival has a very positive impact on local entrepreneurs. It is an opportunity for increased visibility and market exposure, as thousands of enthusiastic visitors from both within the country and abroad gather to witness the traditional polo matches, cultural performances, and handicraft exhibitions. Local entrepreneurs have a chance to present their goods and services to a diverse audience. This exposure often results in a surge in sales and recognition, boosting the economic prospects of these small-scale businesses.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम इशरत हुसैन है। मेरा ताल्लुक़ बलीम लासपुर से है और लासपुर चित्राल का एक गांव है। हम शंदूर में आए हुए हैं और हमारे पास हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि हनी है, और हम बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन अपनी स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ हम हनी का बिज़नेस भी करते हैं। और शंदूर फेस्टिवल में हमारे पास ये पहला प्लेटफॉर्म हमें मिला है कि हम यहाँ आए और अपने जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनकी एडवर्टीज़मेंट करें और उन्हें आगे प्रमोट करें। ऐसे और भी फेस्टिवल्स होने चाहिए ताकि हमारे जो इलाके की लेडीज़ जो हैं उनको जॉब मिल सके। गुर्बत को ख़त्म करने के लिए एक अहम ज़रिया है, फेस्टिवल्स मुनक़िद होने चाहिए।
As our journey through the Shandur Polo Festival comes to a close, we leave with a sense of wonder and appreciation for the remarkable blend of sport and culture that thrives in this breathtaking landscape. Let us cherish this experience and carry the spirit of unity, respect, and cultural exchange within our hearts.